Hello everyone. This video describes the working demo of CrewScout, a tool for finding expert teams. CrewScout can have applications in many places. This demo includes 3 such application scenarios. The first application is selecting basketball teams for participating in online fantasy games. The second application is finding a group of experts and answering Stack Overflow questions. The last application finds panels of experts to review research papers. In this video, I will explain the fantasy basketball team selection scenario. We start by selecting a task from the given task list. Alternatively, we can also search for tasks using the search bar right here. This part of the user interface shows the skills relevant to the task. We can select and deselect the skills required for the chosen task. After we click the Show Experts button, the eligible experts table will list all the experts who have at least one of the selected skills. The experts are ordered by the total scores. CrewScout also allows us to filter the result by an expert's name, as well as minimum and maximum scores on individual skills. CrewScout finds the so-called skyline teams, which are not dominated by any other team in terms of aggregated scores on individual skills. To see the skyline teams, we choose the size of the teams and the function for aggregating scores for members of teams. After we click the Skyline Teams button, the interface will display the Skyline Teams. As we can see here, there are 161 Skyline teams for the chosen task. Each row represents one such team. To make it easier to pick a team from the potentially large number of Skyline teams, CrewScout can cluster the experts and allow us to form a team step by step. It gives us the options to select the number of clusters, clustering algorithm, and similarity measure. After we click the Pick a Team button, 2 panels appear at the bottom. The left panel shows clusters of experts. Each bubble represents an expert, of which the size corresponds to the number of Skyline teams that include this expert. The bubbles are in different colors, indicating that they are in different clusters. We can zoom in and zoom out to see the experts' names clearly. Once we click on a bubble, the corresponding expert gets added to the radar chart in the right panel. The left panel will then be updated to reflect the clustering of the experts that can form Skyline teams for the chosen experts so far. The radar chart is also updated whenever an expert is added. It uses one polygon to show the skills of each expert and a special polygon to show the aggregated skills for the team so far. After we select 3 experts, which matches the Skyline team size we chose for this scenario, a Pick Another Team button will appear. Once we click it, 2 more panels will appear at the bottom. The chosen team will appear in the bottom left panel, and the aggregated polygon for the chosen team will appear in the bottom right panel. We can then continue to choose another team, following the same steps we just took. The polygons of multiple teams will be compared in the bottom right radar chart. This way, we will be able to make a final choice of a Skyline team. To find out more about CrewScout, you can check out the papers we published and also visit our online demonstration at idir.uta.edu/CrewScout. Thank you for watching the video.